Hello everybody, welcome to SS Multimedia. This is Abhiram Paul, and today we're going to be talking about time to the half hour and quarter hour. Objective: understanding the time to the half hour and quarter hour. So today we're going to be dealing with time clocks and everything, and we're not going to draw a circle like this. I already have it ready, but we're going to figure out the time of these clocks. Sorry, I'm not drawing it so good. I try to use different things. So we're going to try to find the time of these things, and we're also going to be try to find how to draw a clock representing this time. So let's get started. And sorry for my artwork if it does not resemble what I am saying. Sorry, it's on my artwork. I'm really bad at it, so just bear with me. So now we're going to try to find out what time does this represent. So the hour clock, the smaller one, is representing 12. And the longer one, the minute clock, is representing 3. Now, what I want you guys to understand is we're going to deal with multiplication fives. So I always want you guys to remember that 12 times 5 equals 60. So 60 minutes equals 1 hour. I'm probably sure you guys know that. And 5 times 3 equals 15. 5 times 6 equals 30. And 5 times 9 equals 45. So just keep that in mind because we're going to have to use that. Because time is basically dealing with the multiplication facts of 5. So if you know your 5 facts well, this is going to be easy. If you don't, either get a multiplication chart or try to memorize a few of them, because I'm guaranteeing you guys it's going to be really easy if you know your 5 facts. So let's start with the first one. Our clock is showing 12, and let's see what the 3 represents. 3 represents 15 minutes from the hour, so that means a quarter from the hour. So you can do it like that, or you can do it, okay, let's try to multiply 5 times 3 equals 15. So our time would be 12, the hour clock would be 12, and then let's do 5 times 3 equals 15. So you can either do it like that, or you can just do it like, okay, it's 15 minutes after the hour clock, that means it's a quarter, that means our time is 12:15. So I just wanted to show you guys that so you guys don't get, you guys know that there's more than one way how to solve this. So our time for this clock is 12:15. Now, time for our next one. So the hour clock is pointing at the 6. See? 6. Now, let's try to find the minute clock. Minute clock is showing to the 1. So, this is going to be 5. 1 times 5 equals 5. So, it's going to be 6:05. So, our time would be 6:05. Now, let's do some problem time. So, let's see what the hour clock is showing. The hour clock is showing 4. Sorry, I was trying to make that shorter. 4:30. So our time is going to be 5 times 6. 5 times 6 equals 30. And our hour clock is 4. So our time for this clock would be 4:30. Now, what I suggest when your teacher gives you a problem like this, to either have a clock ready or try not to draw a clock, because sometimes some kids are really bad and kids like me are pretty bad. So you can either draw a clock or have it like a printed paper next to you so you can draw it. Because as you can see, it was confusing to figure out what was the hour clock and what was the minute clock, and I'm sorry for that, guys. But yeah, artwork is really important in math too, so just keep a remember of that, and make sure whenever your teacher comes around, you show your work, show that, okay, since the hour clock is pointing there and then the minute clock is pointing there, then you know your time. So make sure you talk like in a time sense, not like, okay, the 6 is there and the other handle, the other clock is there, the short one. You want to say the hour clock and the minute clock, so your teachers won't get confused and you won't get confused doing it. Now, for number 2, 3:45. Instead of drawing a clock and try to figure it out, now we're gonna draw a clock. We're gonna draw a clock here. And I'm gonna get my circle out. Sorry guys for that. I get my circle right around here. Just gonna make it big. Okay, now let's try to draw it. And I'm sorry if I draw it really bad, guys. So this is gonna be the 12. This is gonna be the 3. This is gonna be the 6, and this is gonna be the 9. Now, let's see where a minute clock can point to 45. So this is gonna be the minute clock. The minute clock is the longer one. So always keep remember of that. This is the longer one, 3:45, and you want to put something around the minute clock, the hour clock, something like this. Sorry, no, that was bad. Let's do it like something like this. Sorry guys, I'm really bad at drawing clocks these days. So, as we know, the hour clock will go somewhere around, right around here, and then the minute clock will somewhere around right here. So, not exactly at the same point, but like close to there, because my drawing's really bad and I don't want to mess you guys up and you guys get confused, but it's somewhere around there. So 3:45 as a clock is somewhere around there. I don't want to draw the exact point and I draw it really wrong, and I don't want you guys to get confused. That's why I'm saying it like this. Okay, now time for your turn. So I'm going to give you guys a certain time. I'm going to give you guys 2:15 and 4:30. Comment down below. You can either comment down below if you drew a clock and you found out how it looks like. You can either take a picture and then upload it in the comments below so we can see. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Abraham Palam. Please tell me how I can make my videos better, and look out for the 4th grade playlist. That's the whole thing's out, and look out for the few 3rd grade playlists and the 5th grade videos. And I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. You guys are so good. Thank you for supporting the supporters that have been helping us, and have a great day. Bye bye. Thank you so much.